In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Intuit QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you cancel so you can wrap things up with confidence. First, open your browser and go to quickbooks.intuit.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the company you want to cancel and that you have the right permissions to manage billing. If you use multiple companies, double check the company name in the top area once you're in. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the gear icon near the upper right corner. That's the settings menu. Click it, then choose subscriptions and billing. This is where your plan details live. On that page, you'll see an option to cancel subscription. Go ahead and click it. If you don't see the cancel option, it can mean you're not the billing admin or you're not in the correct company, so verify those details before proceeding. Next, QuickBooks will guide you through a short series of prompts. Follow the on-screen steps, select a reason for canceling, and then choose Continue to Cancel. You may see a couple of confirmation screens. Keep going until you see the final confirmation. Once you confirm the cancellation, you're all set. QuickBooks will send a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox to make sure you receive it. Your billing typically stops after the current billing period, and access may continue for a limited time, which I'll explain next. For the online version, there are a few important things to know. After you cancel, you can still access your data for a limited period. When that access window closes, your data may be deleted and can't be recovered. Because of that, it's smart to download key reports before canceling. Focus on the essentials you'll likely need for taxes, audits, or historical reference, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and general ledger. It's also a good idea to save your customer and vendor lists. Store these exports in a secure location so you have a reliable record even after your QuickBooks access ends. That's the complete process. Sign in, go to the gear icon, open subscriptions and billing, click cancel subscription, follow the prompts, and confirm. Then look for your confirmation email and make sure you've saved the reports you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel confidently while keeping your important financial data safe.